Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of x from this given nice math exponential problem. We have 8 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 40 multiplied by 6. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 8 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 40 multiplied by 6. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. This can be written as 8 raised to power s multiplied by 8 is equal to 40 multiplied by 6. Let's divide the whole of this equation by 8. Then this divided by 8 and this divided by 8. This 8 cancel this 8. 8 raised to power x is equal to 40 multiplied by 6 over 8. 40 is equal to 8 multiplied by 5. 8 raised to power s is equal to 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6 over 8. This 8 cancel this 8. 8 raised to power s is equal to 5 times 6. This is 30. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 8 raised to power s is equal to log 30. If you have log a raised to power b, this is equal to b log a. S log 8 is equal to log 30. Let's divide both sides by log 8. This divided by log 8. This divided by log 8. This log 8 cancel this log 8. S is equal to log 30 over log 8. S is equal to log 30 can be written as log 15 multiplied by 2 over log 8. Then if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. S is equal to log 15 plus log 2 over log 8 can be written as log 2 raised to power 3. And this is the same thing as log 15 over log 2 raised to power 3 plus log 2 over log 2 raised to power 3. S is equal to log 15 can be written as log 3 multiplied by 5 over log 2 raised to power 3 can be written as 3 log 2 plus log 2 over 3 log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. S is equal to log 3 over 3 log 2 plus log 5 over 3 log 2 plus 1. If you have log a over log b, this is equal to log a base b. S is equal to 1 over 3 log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 3 log 5 base 2 plus 1. S is equal to 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 over 3. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. 8 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 40 multiplied by 6. And this is the same thing as 8 raised to power s is equal to 30. Now let's check this. We have 8 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 must be equal to 30. Now this is same thing as 2 raised to power 3 bracket 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 all over 3 must be equal to 30. This cancel this. We have 2 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 must be equal to 30. This is same thing as 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 must be equal to 30. If you have a raised to power log n base a, this is equal to n. So the 2 raised to power 1 is 2 multiplied by the whole of this is 3 multiplied by the whole of this is 5 must be equal to 30. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 5, this is 30, is equal to 30, which is true. Now let us solve this problem using another method called the method of natural logarithm. We have the given equation 8 raised to power s plus 1 is equal to 40 multiplied by 6. This is the same thing as 8 raised to power s is equal to 30. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation, that is the natural log. We have ln of 8 raised to power x is equal to ln of 30. S ln of 8 is equal to ln of 30. We are looking for the value of s. Let's divide both sides by ln of 8. This divided by ln of 8. This ln of 8 cancel this ln of 8. S is equal to ln of 30 over ln of 8. Ln of 30 is equal to 3.4012. Then ln of 8 is equal to 2.0794. Then S is equal to 3.4012 over 2.0794. S is equal to 1.6357. You can see that with this, you can solve this in less than 30 seconds. Now we may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, from 8 raised to power s is equal to 30, 8 raised to power 1.6357 must be equal to 30. And of course, 8 raised to power 1.6357, this is 30.00 is equal to 30, which is true. Now, if you don't want to use your calculator, then and you want to leave the answer in natural logarithm form, we can express this further. That is, from s is equal to ln of 30 over ln of 8. Then 30 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. So s is equal to ln of 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 over ln of 8 can be written as ln of 2 raised to power 3. This is the same thing as ln of 2 over 3 ln of 2 plus ln of 3 over 3 ln of 2 plus ln of 5 over 3 ln of 2. This cancel this. S is equal to 1 over 3 plus ln of 3 over 3 ln of 2 plus ln of 5 over 3 ln of 2. Here, 1 over 3 is common. Let's bring it out. S will be equal to 1 over 3 bracket 1 plus ln of 3 over ln of 2 plus ln of 5 over ln of 2. This is the final answer in terms of natural logarithm. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.